jurisdiction report in the government of the jurisdiction of the private until those penalties. Why? Because the jurisdiction is limited in the county where that field is. So, sabi mo niya, dapat patry ako ng Philippine government kasi Pilipino po ako. No, you are a crew of that country registered in Singapore. The jurisdictional concept is now listed in that country and you shall apply that particular country to the jurisdiction of the We call that the concept of jurisdiction concept or jurisdiction and the black concept. The black concept given, the jurisdiction is listed on that country given the jurisdiction. Kaya iba, naiwan na, nakukulong na, kasi dumating ng support, kung ano na pinagagawa, nagkaroon na ng trial doon ito. White jurisdiction of the black concept. And, pinarkahan ko naman dyan, may pumarkahan ko ba? Ibig sabihin, natanong ko ba kayo sa niyan? Dito ko minsan may numbering pa yan. Yan yung numbering ng ating exam nun. Pero nasa na yun pa yung number ko, pag nagbigyan ko ng exam ito, ay number 19. Abangan ko yung number 19. Eh, pagka ginawa ko ng number 1 yun. Diba? Ako na number 19. Alam mo, kasi mariribak na siya. Pero tinulungan ko kanina na 19 pa rin. Kasi parang 19. Kasi hindi kasi siya eh. Tandaan mo, 90 po yung level. Kaya nga na 0 eh. 0 to 1 to 10, hindi ka na. Nung tulong sa pag-posa nilagay mo. Nung posa sa pag-posa nilagay mo, hindi naman yan sa mga makasampu. Kasi tulong na lang na. Kulang sa panalangin, pumigit ka na lang sa lakas. So, hindi naman makanisa. Okay. Pag meron ng kopya, nakalagay dito ang components of the state territory. Components.
Sige po. Oo
Tandaan mo rin ito kasi pag-awit sa hindi mo na kasi may duration kasi hindi mo makakaya sulat mo kagaya ko, hindi mo makakaya sulat mo. May dapat naman hindi kagaya mo yun, may answer lang ako. Ilan ba ito? Kaya yun ang tama ko. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, yan. Water yan. And then aerial. Okay yan. And then terrestrial. Land yan. And then maritime. Yan. That is the fourth component to say. And take note of the definition of passage. Passage. Innocent passage. Your passage will be the international waters because you are allowed. That is allowed to pass through international waters. This is the inland waters. This is the inland waters. These are the international sea. We call that passage. Reason: all ships shall be allowed because of the word passage, where all shall be allowed within the international waters. Pero pag pumasok ka sa inland waters, ay kailangan mo nang kumuha ng permit. Papasok ka sa internal waters na isang bansa, kumuha ka mo ng permit. So hindi, baka makatanggap ka ng missile. Ano mag-missile ng Pilipinas? Hindi siya, kailangan po ay may permit. Pero pag passage for international waters, sa tao yan, passage for international waters you are allowed because all ships are allowed within the international waters. Kung sinabi natin international waters, wala pa namin may-ari. Sabihin po lahat pwede naman. Basta hindi ka pumapasok sa internal waters of that particular state. Okay, so mark number 15. Baka number 15 of credit.
Oo. Joke yun.
Hindi pa lang, nag-wish ko na lang, o
Hindi ka, hindi ko. Nagagawa niya.
Ngayon, meron tayong ngayon yung files of registration. So, files of registry.
Joke yun.
In 15 minutes, we can complete chapter 4. Allow water to work. Meron pa akong 4.3.
Oo?
Files of registry. Types of registry. One, close registry. Close open. Close open lang siya? Close open. So, siguro na makalimutan. Pagkita ko kayo. Ano yung usap natin? Open. Okay, registry. Close registry, open registry. Tandaan mo lang kung napag-close registry. Hindi nag-aalaw ng other nationality for registration. At kung naka-register ka dito sa country na hindi ka alam na mag-register sa ibang bansa. Close registry. Ibig sabihin, again, meron kami ginagawa sa registration na rin na, di ba? May mga country na nag-aalaw ng open registration. Pero may country na pag naka-registro ka dyan, sinuso yan. Ayaw mag-registro sa iba. Happy ka na. Process. Pero ano ba ang advantage ng open? Naka-close. Ang close registration, the moment you are registered, that sheet or business registered in that country, all the benefits accorded their to the given name. Therefore, we should not be seeking other people for that because we are not giving to you the privilege. In form of tax, in form of benefits, we will give you. If the requirements in court, as long as you just comply with the requirements, we will afford that privilege. Because that close registration. But there are countries with open registration. Kahit hindi ka nationality doon, basta gusto mong mag-registro, okay lang. Halimbawa, ang mga close yata, usually mga Singapore, mga gano'n eh. Ang mga open, pwede yung mga Norway, ganyan, Germany, ganyan. Pagka open, kahit multiple registry pwede. At saka, kahit hindi ka na doon, basta mag-comply ka sa requirements sila, pwede.